I used to second guess my mind, every choice I made in life, looking for a better sign, hoping something felt more right. I was scared of getting wrong, every step I walked alone, but I never really saw I was